Okay, let's break down the topic of replacing the GPU, graphics processing unit, in an Alienware laptop. The short answer is, it's generally very difficult, often impossible, and usually not cost-effective, especially for modern models. Here's a more detailed explanation covering the key aspects: soldered versus modular GPUs, most modern Alienware laptops. The vast majority of current and recent Alienware laptops, like the M Series, X Series, have the GPU soldered directly onto the motherboard. This means it's an integral part of the main circuit board and cannot be removed or replaced like a desktop graphics card. Attempting to desolder and resolder a GPU requires highly specialized equipment and skills, is extremely risky, and is not a service typically offered. Older specific models, exceptions. Some older, often larger Alienware laptops did use modular GPU formats like MXM, Mobile PCI Express Module, or Dell's own proprietary DGFF, Dell Graphics Form Factor. The most notable recent example was the Alienware Area 51M series, R1 and R2, which was